Hello, welcome to Siyasat Rapid in Shorts. I am Syed Zulfikar Ahmed. Let us start with the Hadith Sharif. रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, आदिल हाकिम की ताज़ीम करना अल्लाह की ताज़ीम में दाखिल है. And Siyasat Rapid in Shorts. In a New Delhi, High Telangana on Friday reported 2,478 new COVID-19 cases during the last 24 hours as the surge continues across the state. COVID-19 Halim to get costlier this Ramzan in Hyderabad. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Thursday said a person not wearing a mask in public will be fined ₹1,000 and asked the police strictly enforce masks on rule. The Andhra Pradesh State Waqf Board has launched a unique initiative to spread awareness about the civil services examination. The target group is students of class 9, 10, 11, 12, undergraduation and college teachers. YS Sharmila, sister of Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, is likely to float a new political party in today's Sankalpa Sabha in Telangana, Khammam. Sharmila is on her way to Khammam. Central Industrial Security Force CISF official nabbed 2 passengers who were allegedly smuggling gold in paste form worth approximately rupees 44.80 lakh at Hyderabad airport on Thursday. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said on Friday that over 9.4 crore coronavirus vaccine doses have been administered so far, with over 36 lakh given in the past 24 hours. A driver of an ambulance carrying a COVID-19 patient is stopped for drinking juice in Madhya Pradesh. I do not have corona. The patient has corona. Let me drink. Indian Army Chief Minister MM Naranway on Thursday gifted 1 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses to his Bangladeshi counterpart General Aziz Ahmed. Ahmed thanked India for helping Bangladesh tackle the coronavirus pandemic. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadora said that the added pressure of having to appear for examinations during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic will affect the mental health of children. Stating that the center has made a mess of vaccination program, Congress leader P. Chidambaram said Maharashtra is being wrongly targeted over the spread of COVID-19. Maharashtra has vaccinated 80% of health workers. Israel PM Benjamin Netanyahu said his government would not cooperate with International Criminal Court ICC probe into alleged war crimes in Palestinian terrorists. Johnson & Johnson, the only manufacturer with a single-dose COVID-19 vaccine, will soon conduct clinical trials in India, the Indian Express reported, citing government sources. An Indian Tech 32 and his pregnant wife were found dead at their home in US after neighbors saw their 4-year-old daughters crying in the balcony. US media outlets said they died of an apparent stabbing in their North Arlington apartment. A South Korean flagged tanker and its captain detained in Iran since January were released on Friday, the country's foreign minister said. Colombo police arrested Mrs. World Caroline Juria on charges of assault over an on-stage scuffle in which she pulled the crown of the head of the new Mrs. Sri Lanka Pushpika De Silva. One of the most awaited films of Bollywood, Gangubai Kathiawadi, starring Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, will also release in Telugu. On Thursday, Alia announced on social media that Gangubai Kathiawadi will be dubbed and released in Telugu. Duti Chand, the Jakarta Asian Games silver medalist in 100 and 200 meters, will receive Chhattisgarh Veerni Award due to ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The inaugural edition of the awards ceremony will be held virtually on April 14.